I have a lot of effervescent tablet tubes, and I want to use them to make an organizer for small parts. Since I don't have a pipe cutter, I'm going to make one using some scrap wood. Join me as we build it, and see how it turns out. As you can see, it's a very simple build. Just a few pieces of wood and a cutter blade. The dimensions are shown in the plan. I'm making a wooden block with 24 holes to fit all the tubes in place. I'm cutting the holes with my CNC because I don't have a 30mm Forstner bit. If you have the right size, you can just use that instead. I've also made another version of the cutter, using a metal hinge instead of a nail. It allows for a wider opening. You can easily adapt this project for different tube sizes. Just tweak the dimensions a bit. Give it a try, and let me know how yours turns out. This organizer is super practical. Each section comes out separately, making it easy to reach the small parts inside. You can keep all your screws, nails, springs, and even jewelry-making pieces neatly organized and right within reach. It's perfect for any workspace, whether you're into woodworking, crafting, electronics, or jewelry making. No more searching through messy drawers. Everything you need is right in front of you, easy to grab and put back. I hope you'll try making this cutter and organizer yourself. Both are made entirely from scraps and leftovers, and that's what makes them special. Turning waste into something useful is always satisfying.